In this video, I will share IBA screening test paper intermediate category held on 24th June 2023. Paper 7, portion Pakistan Studies and Islamiyat. Question number 86. Who was the fourth Governor General of Pakistan? And the correct answer is B. Major Iskandar Mirza. Question number 87. A senator is elected in Upper House of Pakistan for how many years? And the correct answer is C. 6 years. Question number 88. The round table conferences in 1930 were held for, and the correct answer is A. The future constitution of India, not Pakistan, it is India. Question number 89. Which surah of Holy Quran describes the most concise description of Tawheed? And the correct answer is D. Surah Ikhlas. Question number 90. How many most prominent prophets are mentioned in Holy Quran by name? And the correct answer is C. 25 prophets are mentioned in Holy Quran. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok and Facebook.